How I cured my erectile dysfunction naturally. Pay attention because you're about to see exactly how to fix the root cause of your ED naturally and restore your hardwood permanently. What I'm about to show you is not medication, it's not a testosterone supplement, and it's not some weird gel or something you inject. It's none of those things, and I promise you've never seen it before. And if you've ever felt the shame and anguish of being unable to get hard just when you need it, felt embarrassed and less of a man because you lost your erection after a few minutes, don't get as hard as you used to, even if you do everything right, felt anxious and scared that you'll never get hard again, or ever felt insecure and envious of younger guys who have lots of sex with their hot girlfriends and get hard on command just like you used to. You can go from the humiliating soft or non-existent erections of today, to pleasurable and pleasing super hard erections in a few short days or even hours, and it all starts with the simple hard erection morning tonic I'm about to share. This critical information is only being shared for a limited amount of time right here in this video, and it could be gone by tomorrow. And it's the only way you'll get the hard erections and enjoyable sex life that's waiting for you in a few minutes from now, so make sure to watch this entire video until the end because you're about to find out how to say goodbye to ED for good and get back the potent hard erections of your younger years. I'd stumble on the potent natural secret that restored my hard, youthful erections again, for good. ED pills weren't working, but I'd read on some internet sites that taking supplements could help. So I went to the natural health store and loaded up. I got stuff called Herbal Performer, L-arginine, Tribulus, and one called D-Booster Hardness. These seemed to help my erections a little at the start, but my body stopped reacting to them after a few weeks. Men of any age can perform as well as when they were 24 years old, if they know this one thing: you'll never fix your erection problems unless you target this one thing that nearly every man misses. You can take care of your diet, exercise, even take testosterone supplements, but unless you fix this one thing, you'll never really get those hard erections that you want and deserve. Today there's an ED epidemic going on. Half of guys over 40 are getting ED without any explanation from their doctors. You don't hear much about it in the media because it's considered taboo. Even guys in their 20s are getting severe ED. Remember, these chemicals are brand new substances to our bodies and we haven't all evolved to process them yet. Look, it's not your fault. Chemical conglomerates have basically bribed the government to be allowed to use their polluting chemicals that cause ED in millions of unsuspecting men. I blends these herbs and foods into a drink he calls his Hardwood Tonic that takes only 60 seconds to make. This Hardwood Tonic targets and eradicates the root cause of ED in men, the harmful toxin that disrupts your smooth muscle. It does this with a unique blend of flavonoids, or plant chemicals, that reverse oxidative damage. The result is that you get super big, hard erections again, that last as long as you like. And what I loved about this Hardwood Tonic as well as the super hard, long-lasting erections is that I felt more manly. We called this erection hardening blueprint, the Hardwood Tonic system, and so far, it's helped 26,137 men get their naturally stiff erections and their lives back, for good. I remember how complicated everything seemed when I first started searching for solutions, so I wanted to make it super easy for other men to follow. This solution had to reveal the truth about erectile dysfunction that pharma companies pay money to hide. It had to work fast and fix ED in men of all ages for every type of ED out there. And it had to work permanently. A new future where you get hard erections on demand and walk with a confident, alpha male swagger has opened up for you. Right now, you have a choice. Click the link in the description to get your discount.